Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to remove a boost now. First, make sure you're signed into the account that applied the boost. You can only remove your own boost. Once signed in, open Discord on desktop or mobile and navigate to the server. Click the server name menu, then choose Boost or Boost Status to open Boost controls. Make sure you're looking at the correct server. Mistakes cost Nitro time. From here, you'll access the removal option and proceed to cancel the boost. Now remove the boost itself. In Boost Details, pick Manage Boosts, then select the active boost and choose Remove Boost or Cancel Boost. Confirm when Discord asks. If the boost was part of a Nitro subscription, navigate to User Settings, right arrow Subscriptions to cancel future automatic renewals. Make sure you confirm the dialog so the boost is released. Once done, you'll see the server's boost count drop immediately or after a short refresh. Finish by verifying the boost removal. Open Server Settings or the Boost Status panel to confirm the count and which perks were removed. If the boost still appears, force a refresh, log out and back in, or restart the app. Cache often causes delay. If you were billed incorrectly, check your payment history, then contact Discord support with screenshots and timestamps. Otherwise, you're done. The server will lose boost tiers as expected and members will see features revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.